So, when you go to the restaurant and they ask you, how do you like your steak? How do you like your steak? I like my steak medium rare. I like my steak rare. I like my steak well done. Okay? You've got your three main options. Rare, medium rare, and well done. Okay? How about you? I like my steak rare, medium rare. Many people like their steak well done. Cooked all the way through. Black. No. Okay, let's take a look. So I keep my steak pretty simple. Today I added a little extra spices. I usually get the heat about medium heat here, and after about 5-6 minutes, I'll flip it over. So right about now. Okay, so let's flip this over. Oh yeah, nice. Here I have some soup that we didn't finish the other day. So what do you call the food that you didn't eat? Leftovers. Leftovers. So, as a dad, it's my job to eat the leftovers. I don't want them going bad in the refrigerator and turning into a science project. You know it's a science project because it'll get all different colors of mold on it. So I call that a science project in the refrigerator. So, as dad, I will often eat the leftovers. Alright, another 5 minutes have gone by, so I'm going to go ahead and take this steak off. Okay, I've got my steak, some seaweed on the side, some kim, and my leftover soup. Time to dig in. Alright, let's check the condition of this steak here. Alright. Nice. Looks beautiful. So as you see here, I have medium rare. Maybe a little bit on the rare side. Medium rare. So this is how I like my steak, medium rare. So again, you can have your steak either rare, medium rare, or well done. Okay, I like mine medium rare. All right. Bon appetit.